Check this out, Roger. Your little girl has just instantly figured out how to bat at the toys. It's so cute. She's like grabbing them and batting at them. It just kind of happened like out of the blue. Check it out. She's going bonkers. She's been hanging on those rings, batting at it, making the lights flash by pulling down on it, letting go. Good job, sweetie. Good job. Yes. Daddy girl, she's just smacking them. Oh my god. It's funny, she's grabbing onto the blanket with her left hand and kind of helping pull herself over a bit. It's pretty funny. Good girl! She finally got the bees. Anyways, this is what we did today. Miss you. See you tonight.